We're heading to the mushroom farm to pick up some growing supplies, and it's beautiful out here. Well, we're here at the mushroom farm, but there's no service and I don't know where they are. So we're gonna find the owners and then we're gonna get tons of mushroom supplies. Check it out.
That's the laboratory. I can kind of show you, that's Wendy's part. Now, I should explain to you what this historically is, because it's obviously an old building. As a matter of fact, it's been refit a few times. You can see the door used to be over on the other side.
Oh, they don't make them like this anymore. You could keep these old ones running forever.
Yeah, that's how we got into growing mushrooms, actually, is we were wild mushroom hunters.
Yeah. Untie them. When they pick them up off the field, the machine picks it up like a chunk at a time and then spreads it out, so you can pull these off, fold them in half and stuff them in there for chopping straw. And then this thing's got a rotating drum with 3-inch blades on it that spins really fast and just shreds it really fine. You can see if I tried to stuff this stuff in a basket, it doesn't want to pack tightly because it's very hard to mix with the grain.
Okay,
so I shred it real fine like this, and then I can I cook it in the barrels. There's a burner under each barrel.
Really?
And I cook it. Yeah, you can see. It's no big deal. Yeah, I cook it. The barrel, it's upside down right now, but each barrel's got a burner under it. So I fill these up with water, and then of course I bring the water up to a boil, and then I dunk the basket of straw in there for around an hour. And then this actually is, block and tackle and overhead hoist. So, of course, those baskets, when they're wet, weigh about 250 pounds and they're boiling hot, so you can't handle them. So that's why I've got the overhead hoist.
Wow.
Most guys would just buy a winch. I like this. This is old ship equipment, block and tackle. It gives you leverage for lifting a heavy load, but that's, thousands of years old.
Yeah.
The Greeks were using those.
That's amazing.
Yeah, well, I mean, I happen to like old equipment. I used to be an engineer, professionally speaking, so
that makes sense.
I'm familiar with the necessities of leverage and such.
So,
but anyway, that lets me pick out a hot basket of straw, and I've got it on a roller so that I can scoot it over. And I just put a little cart up here with the drip tray, and I can drop the basket right on there once most of the free water's run out of it. And then the next room over is my first sterile room, which will turn on the lights in there, and I'll show you in there if you're interested. Just stop me if you...
Oh yeah, I'm